Okay, it's time to go and work with the Vosviewer. After we did our search in the Web of Science, now we're going to the Vosviewer to do further analysis on our search. On the left side, you can see there is a create icon. Let's open the create. And here it says choose type of data that we want to feed to the Vosviewer. The first one is create a map based on the network data. We'll talk about this in the next video. Create a map based on the bibliographic data, which we has uh, downloaded in the past from Web of Science. And create a map based on the text data. We select the middle one, going next. Here, we have to choose our data source. It can come from the APIs, it can come from the bibliographic data files, such as Web of Science, which we did a search and we collect the information, or it can come from the reference management files. We select the middle one, move forward, and now here we can select a different type of the information sources that we have downloaded. On our study, we download information from Web of Science. So Web of Science is here. We're going to select the files that we have. I'm coming out, searching for our folder, stock market behavior study, open the folder. And you may remember, we saved 1,366 records from Web of Science. I'm going to select all the 3 files at once, and the format is a text, and push OK. I select all of them. Now we are ready for the next step. Next, it's going to read those files. It reads all those files. Here in this page, we have a different type of mapping for our further analysis. In this video, we will focus on the one of the items, co-occurrences, and on the other video, I will describe the other options that we have. For our study, we just focus on the co-authorship, the countries, citation, also the same between the countries. And I'm coming back here, co-occurrences. In the co-occurrences, we are focusing on the keywords, and we are looking at all the keywords our study has. The keywords which has been defined by authors and the keywords which has been defined by the publisher. Then we call those keywords as a keyword plus. So we want to do analysis on all the keywords that we have in our study. We're going to the next. Now here we can see, based on our records, there are 4,597 keywords, and those 4,597 keywords with the 5-time accuracy, 321 of them has been selected. But we don't do analysis on 300 keywords. We want a less number of the keywords. We're looking for the most significant keywords in our search study. So we increase the threshold number, and when we increase the threshold number, you can see the number of the keywords that met these criteria is reducing, and we reduce it to the meaningful number of 70-ish, I would say, because we'll see what would be happen. We're a little bit more than 50, and with the 80 times occurrences for each keyword. Go to the next. Here, it mentioned that we can select lower number of those keywords. If we have a 57 keywords has been selected until now, we keep the 57 because we need to do more further analysis going forward. And now we can see all the keywords which has been appeared in our network. Here is the selected one, then the keywords itself, the number of the accuracy, it is sortable, you can sort them, and you see that the first one, which is more accurate than the others, is volatility. Total link strength is also here. And you see the same one, it has the highest total link strength. Now, when we have our keyword network here, two things is happening here. The first one, you remember we search based on few keywords, and definitely those keywords will come on the top of our result. One of the keywords were behavior, and the second one was stock market. And we're coming down from top, and we have to exclude our search keywords from our result. Otherwise, they would be the center of the result. We find the stock markets, and the stock, eliminate those. Stock returns, it has a different meaning. Then again, a stock market, and okay, it seems that we are good here. I'm going to check it out based on the alphabet. Behavior is financial or bitcoins that we can eliminate from our result because it's part of the search keywords. Equity markets, part of the search keywords. Financial market, financial markets. Going down, going down. Stock, going down, and going down. It seems we are good here. And the second thing is happen, there are a few keywords which is repeating after each other. Let me see if I can see an example in this result. Like a model and models. They're almost referring to one concept, but they're coming in a different format. And I'm going down. Return, returns. Price, prices. Going down. Okay, we eliminate the stock market. That's very good here. We have a few items and we have to rectify these items. I'm coming up from the up to down again. Okay, here we have another one. Herding, herding behavior, herding behaviors. Behavior, again, with different kind of dictation. Okay, good, good. We want to rectify this part. In the next video, I'm going to rectify and replace these keywords with the similar keywords on our source data and information. This video, we came to create map of co-occurrences of the keywords, and we eliminate the keywords that we have started search, and now we are ending up here. As what we said, there are a few keywords which here is a herd behavior, herding behavior, and herding behavior with a different dictation, which all of them has the same meaning. And we want to combine all these information in one side to have a more accurate mapping of the co-occurrence keywords. For this purpose, we have to change our input information to Vosviewer. We're going back to our file. We recorded all the information from Web of Science on a 3 different text file. Now we selected all these text files. I create another folder and I copy these three text files. I create another folder. I open the folder to paste this text file here because we're going to do modification on the text file just for mapping the keywords. Consider, because this will change the original document, we don't have to touch the original document. The original document should be kept remain the same for the further analysis that we needed with the Vosviewer. I change the name, modify, then I have an idea about it that it has been modified for the keyword analysis and network. I open it, and in the file, as what we discussed, all the information of those 500 search combined here. We're going to replace those keywords that they are very similar to each other. I'm going to start with the more sophisticated one, and we'll expand it to the others. With the Control H, the replacement window is open. Now we have the herd behavior, and we want to replace this one with the herd behavior. But sorry, herding behavior with the herd behavior. Let me see. You can see the results. They are there everywhere. And I'm going to replace all of them. Just one quick note here. You see, because our search is based on the match case and wraparound, look, if I change the H to the herding behavior with the capital H, we have a different result, which most of the time on the keywords, it comes with a capital H. I'm going to replace all these keywords. Replace all of them, then revert it back to the small h with the herding behavior, replace all of them, and I'll check it out. We don't have any herding behavior in our document. Good. We had another keywords, herding, herding, okay, dictation. What was the dictation of this? The second one, herding behavior without you. Going back. Check it out. Yes, still we have the capital H. We're going there, and we want to replace it. And you see that we have a behavior yes. Then we have to also remove the S at the end. Okay. H, herding behavior, small, replace all of them. With the cap H, replace all of them. Good. Now, check it out. We don't have any herding behavior. The next one was herding. I'm going to replace herding with the herding behavior. Replace all, small h, replace all. Check it out. We don't have a herding. Good. I'm going back here. We had another keyword here. What we saw is that, let's check this one, herd behaviors with the S at the end. Do we have this? Yes, yes, yes. To avoid this mistake of the plural, we replace all of them again. We don't have the capital H here because we already replaced all of them. Now, still we have some of them with the S at the end. Replace it. Now we don't have it. Good. It seems that we are aligned for this keyword. I will do the same for the other keywords, which is model. Where is the model? Model and models, price and prices, return and returns. And I will replace all of them. And I will do it for all three documents as input for this mapping of the co-occurrence keyword.